In Kapampangan culture and traditions, we have this word Dáun, which, today is synonymous with the words Day of the Dead or November 1st, or this Catholic traditions of All Saints' Day and All Souls' Day. Yet this word, carries a much deeper meaning that predates the influence of Christianity in the Philippines. So for example, our Kapampangan elders, scholars, and culture bearers teach us that the use of lanterns, or what we now call parols, dates back to ancient times. So long before Kapampangans embraced Christianity, these lanterns served a spiritual purpose, and that is to guide the spirits of our ancestors during the traditions of Dáun, or offerings to the dead. And unknown to many, Dáun is not just a gesture of remembrance, but an offering of thanksgiving. And so each harvest season, during the season of the North Wind or Amihan or Amihan, these lanterns would illuminate the night as part of our thanksgiving offerings to our ancestral spirits. This simple yet profound ritual continues to echo this connection between the past and the present,